Hello and good day. My name is Muhammad Taqiyuddin with my ticket number TC21010 and my partner is Muhammad Firdausi with my ticket number TC21007. So today our group will present about heating, ventilating and air conditioning mini project was given by our lecturer. So we go to the next slide, which is we talk about the introduction. So heating, ventilating and air conditioning system play a critical role in maintaining a comfortable and healthy environment within buildings, and their significance is particularly pronounced in healthcare facilities such as hospital. So we go to the next slide, which is building orientation. So in hospital, the orientation should be analyzed as a design input for each hospital function, and the orientation of many functions such as laboratory, patient room, waiting area, intensive care units and operating room. Because to get daylight, because orientation is help the hospital to minimize the use of energy due to less cooling load in the building and maximize the natural daylight for lighting purpose. So this is visual for our hospital, and we go to the next slide, which is plan layout. So this is ground floor, which is ground floor. We have 60 bed patient, CT scan room, X-ray room, and prayer room. So we go to the next slide, which is first floor plan, which is we have 100 bed patient. Other than that, we have prayer room and X-ray room and cafe. Same goes to the second floor plan and third floor plan. So now we go to the fourth floor plan, which is we have operating room, ICU room, emergency room, conference room, nursing dorm and the others. So we go to the next slide, which is roof plan. So as you can see, the roof plan, at the top of the plan we have many of trees, because the trees can help to build energy sustainability for our hospital. So we go to the next slide, which is the next slide will present by partner, which is Firdausi. Thank you.
Thank you, Taqiyuddin. Next, I will continue to explain about the materials that we use on the hospital envelope construction. First, the roofing. For the material on the roof is we use single ply membrane, which is the thermoplastic polyurethane. For this material, the color is white or light. It provides high solar reflectivity and it's resistant to UV radiation, chemical exposure and microbial growth, contributing to their durability and longevity. And for the wall is we use masonry with insulation. Masonry provide structural strength and durability, while insulation inside the masonry is helps then more consistent indoor temperature, contributing to energy efficiency and occupant comfort. And for the window we use IGUS or insulated glass units, the double one. It's first is reducing heat transfer between the interior and the exterior of the building. Next is reducing the transmission of the external noise into the building. Next materials for the door is we use automatic sliding door. Basically, it's convenient access for user, including those using wheelchair or mobility aids, and its safety sensor and features prevent accident by detecting obstruction in the door path. And for the floor, we use the basic ceramic tiles because it's low maintenance and easy to clean, and it's difficult for bacteria or fungi to grow on the surface and enhancing infection control. Next, for the HVAC system, for the mechanical HVAC system, we use a variable air volume VAV system that we can see on this graph. This graph show the difference between CAV, the constant air volume, versus the VAV, variable air volume. Then we can see this little bit different and more reduced energy or energy efficient that used for this VAV system. VAV system is a system that adjusts the airflow to different zones within a building, optimizing energy efficiency and comfort. Some key of the component is consists of VAV box, ductwork, air handlers, and a central control system. And for the benefits, it's energy efficiency, it's improved occupant comfort, its potential cost savings, and individual zone control. And for the application, it's enhancing comfort for the patient and allowing health care provides to adjust condition based on patient needs. And next, it helps hospital to maintain high indoor air quality, critical for patient well-being and infection control. And the last part is for the electrical system that we use for this hospital design is we use two electrical system. First, the energy management system we combine with the smart grid integration. First, the energy management system is a centralized system for monitoring, controlling, and optimizing energy usage within facilities. The benefits that we can get from the system is it enhances energy efficiency from monitor and optimize energy consumption in real time. Another benefits is cost reduction and proactive management. And for the next electric system that we combine is the smart grid integration. It's integration with the smart grid for bi-directional communication between the grid and the facilities. The sum of the benefits is enable quick adjustment to energy consumption based on the grid condition, and next, enhance overall grid stability by facilitating real-time communication. And we can use this, we can see this system, this electrical system has been used in Malacca State. This is we provide the argument or the news report from Bernama that brought by Nur Shahida Razadi in this year on January 2023. That's all from us. Thank you.